If you are looking for a trading platform, then there are many options out there. Today, we're going to have a look at Alpaca. We're also going to have a look at interactive brokers. We're going to have a look at Trading 212. We want to know which trading platform you should actually be using for your individual needs. So let's check them out. So let's have a look at Alpaca now. So Alpaca actually provides comprehensive APIs for stock, for options, and cryptocurrency trading. Its commission-free model eliminates the barriers to the US markets. There's no minimum deposit required. It's got fractional share trading, which is supported, and REST and web stock APIs are available. Alpaca's developer-first approach makes it really ideal for programmers building custom trading solutions. You can actually build your strategy. So you can create custom trading algorithms with robust APIs for order replacement and portfolio management. You can use paper trading and backtesting to validate strategies without financial risk, and you can move to live trading with confidence after thoroughly testing in a sandbox environment. Alpaca also has some integrations and some developer tools, so you can embed investing capabilities in fintech applications. It's got real-time and historical financial information, and it's got a comprehensive documentation and community support, which is really helpful. You can see over here now we are in interactive brokers. So they are a global multi-asset platform. First of all, you get access to more than 150 markets across 33 countries worldwide. You also get to trade stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, and funds. It has advanced trading technology for more serious investors, and it's got a bunch of professional tools. You can see over here they have comprehensive research and analytics tools as well. So you can access in-depth research reports covering global markets and assets. And you can also see that they have advanced tools to analyze portfolio risk and also optimize positions. It's institutional grade API solutions for algorithmic trading strategies. It also has a cost structure and margin capability. So their margin rate, its industry leading low margin interest rates is 0.35% and as low as $1 per trade with tiered pricing. Also, it has multi-currency account capabilities, which includes more than 65 currencies. Trading 212 now is an app-based platform. So it's got a very simple interface for stock, ETFs, and CFDs. You can also see its commission-free trades, and it's primarily European markets, and you can invest with any amount without any minimum requirements, which of course often stops a lot of people from investing because they don't have enough to invest. The next thing over here is that Trading 212 has automated investing features. So you can actually set investment goals. You can define your financial objectives and your risk tolerance. You can build diversified portfolios with fractional shares, and you can set recurring investments for consistent growth. You can also monitor progress with a very intuitive dashboard, which gives you all of your analytics broken down with ease to read. Also, Trading 212 has a fantastic community and support ecosystem. This is one of the most interesting, most valuable things with any trading platform. So it fosters a vibrant community with forums and feature request integrations. It offers both investing and CFD services with a 24/7 multilingual support system. Amazing. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, with so many options available out there, it is always a good thing to go ahead and try all of your options, narrow them down to maybe 2 or 3, and check out what really works for you. If this video was truly helpful, go ahead and drop us a like. We really appreciate the support. You can go ahead and subscribe for more awesome content, and we'll see you next time.